Hello family, and welcome back to our wild Ohio.
Hey there, I'm Shane. Welcome to our wild Ohio. Ever wondered what secrets our forests hold? From hidden waterfalls to mushrooms that look like a lion's mane. Well, you've come to the right place. We're about to take you on an adventure through the untamed heart of the Buckeye State, and you don't even have to leave your chair. I've been a proud Ohio resident all of my life, and I wouldn't want to live anywhere else. And I'm proud to call myself a Buckeye. A wild Ohio was born from a life-changing moment after a devastating accident.
We had a victim who was hiking today with the weather like it is, with the rain on the moss and the rocks. He made a bad step and slipped, fell approximately 40 feet, maybe more, which he came to a crash onto a tree. We got here with multiple companies, were able to locate him, and did a technical rescue from the ground up using our rope methods. Mutual aid companies also came to help, and we were able to stabilize the victim in place, extricate him from the side of the mountain, and we have him now transported to FMC in critical condition.
As I searched for ways to experience my favorite wild places, I realized there weren't many options for those unable to explore the outdoors themselves. That's when I made a promise. If I ever regained my ability to walk, I would create a channel to bring the beauty of Ohio's wild places to anyone who couldn't experience them firsthand. Today, that promise is more alive than ever. Our wild Ohio is more than a channel, it's a family. We're here to inspire and connect, especially with those who can't get out themselves, whether due to age, disability, or life challenges. We bring the adventure to you from the stunning cliffs of Rising Park. And the mysterious Devil's Kitchen. To the serene waters of Buckeye Lake. And the vibrant life within the Franklin Park Conservatory. So, what can you expect when you subscribe? We're diving deeper than ever before. Join us for immersive camping trips under the stars. Get practical foraging tips for your own adventures, and come along on some incredible mushroom hunts. We'll also get up close with Ohio's native wildlife. And also discover the bounty of Ohio's wild edibles. This is your front row seat to the wonders of nature. Every viewer, every subscriber, every supporter makes this journey possible. Will you join us in celebrating the beauty of our wild Ohio? Together, we can ensure these magical places reach those who need them most. We're also dropping bombs of knowledge over on Instagram, TikTok, and X. So be sure to follow us there for doses of the wild. Want to become an even bigger part of our community? Head over to ourwildohio.com. You can sign up for our email newsletter. It's a way to support the channel and it costs you nothing. Remember, Ohio is home to a diverse range of wildlife, and it's important to appreciate and respect their habitats. Let's work together to protect and preserve our wild Ohio for generations to come. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more wild Ohio adventures. Until next time, keep exploring our wild Ohio.
Thank you for watching our wild Ohio. It's support from viewers like you who make it all possible. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. Join our family and become a member of our Wild Ohio by visiting the link in the description below. And until we meet again, stay wild, my friends.